I wanted to record a short video summarizing what we did for step 1 and talk about step 2 briefly. And then there's like a new announcement I would like to make about our website. Hopefully you will all cooperate with me. So, Delivery 1, most of you did very good. Good presentations, good reports. The feedback part was not very great because I really want you to spend more time on your classmates' presentations and try to understand what they're doing. Try to come up with some ideas which might help your classmates. So it is really important that if you can provide good feedback, actually it also tells you a lot about you because it means you have enough knowledge and experience in this field to judge other people's work. Okay, so please try to be more descriptive in your peer reviews. Okay, also try to ask questions like you are telling that you are going to do this, but but there's a problem with this, like with the data set or whatever. So please raise those questions more frequently. So now we are, you guys should be, working on your part 2, delivery 2, which is basically like literature review and working on your data sets. So some of you actually were not 100% sure what kind of data or which data set you guys would be using. So please make sure that your data set is ready to go right now and you are doing some exploratory data analysis on them. Okay, and please present your initial findings in your delivery number 2. So today is February 17. The deadline of second delivery is March 1, basically March 1st. Basically we have 2 weeks, or I should say 13 days. And please, if you have finished your presentation, please upload it as soon as possible. Don't wait like Sunday midnight, like 12 a.m. in the morning. Okay, please submit them earlier. Early is always better. Again, I will send you guys a list of peer review assignment. And in the previous one, there was a problem. Apparently, 2 students they dropped from the course in the last minute, and then we had some small issues. The other thing is there is this association of program directors for data science. I'm a member. The GW GPD, Data Science GPD, is a member. There's a new GPD for Virginia Tech's program. So what we do is we get together and we discuss our programs. Then we provide feedback to each other, like, hey, I have done this, it worked really well, or I did this, it was a disaster, those kind of things. So one of the really great idea actually came from the Columbia GPD, and he said, they created this web page for their capstone project students. Same thing with the Berkeley, by the way. So they, those web pages actually they're all maintained by each student. They provide some information like the text, but not too detailed. A couple of videos explaining their progress, and also they share their codes and everything. So now I want us to do the same thing. Apparently, this web page gives lots of visibility to capstone students and also the program. Okay, he said actually the number of people visiting their program website mostly comes from their capstone project. Okay, and some of their students even they received job interview invitations just because of this course web page, and I think we should do the same. So I'm going to send you an email regarding our websites, and I will give you access. So please visit our website and update your page only. Please do not touch other people's web page, but update your page in such a way that it will show your progress through the entire semester. Okay, that is actually, let me show you quickly. So what you need to do is the following. So let me get rid of this one. So the website is like sites.google.com/new. So if you go to this site, right now it says like start your first site. Actually, this is not correct. I have another site. The problem is right now I'm using my regular Gmail account, so I need to log into my CNBC, not CNBC, sorry, UMBC mail account. So I'm going to log into my UMBC account. Then it will it will go to my Google Sites web page, and here you see like data 606. Okay, so this is our web page, and you all will have access to this web page. So I'm going to click this one. So it will open a new page, and maybe I should make it slide smaller and let get rid of my hat. Okay, so this is the this is our web page, right? And if you go to and there are three sections, so please do not change the theme. Just go to pages. Okay, so you will go to your pages, and here this is our home page. This one is home page. So if you click this small triangle, you will see your name. Okay, so let's say I am Rahul Torlapati. Okay, I'm going to this web page, and this page actually, and now you see like this is the name of the person, this is the title of the project, and these are the small sections I copied from the from your first write-ups. Okay, so you are free to update. Actually, you will be free to update this page based on your like your way of designing pages. But please provide your name. If you are comfortable with that, please provide an email address so that people can talk to you, communicate you via email. And like changing this page is actually very simple. So if you go to like insert, right, so like you can create like a new text box. You can embed something from your Google Drive. That you can do whatever you want. Okay, so let me show you one small trick with this YouTube video. So if cancel, so if can I open this video? I need to open my actually. So I will update it, but so settings. Not this one. I'm sorry. So let me go to video because I need the address.
Hi everyone, I'm Rahul.
So if you record a new video, you can simply add that new video to your site, or you can remove the first one and put the new one. Okay, so I'm going to delete this video first. I'm going to just click it, then delete from here. Okay, so if you want to add a new video, you just need to go to here, like YouTube, click it. Okay, then write the address here, click search, it will find the video. Then you will just need to go to it doesn't show it here, shoot. So at the bottom of the page there's a select button. Just click it, it will select it for you, and I'm going to put it right here to just make sure that here we have a video, next we have information about dataset, and so forth, so on. So if you look at this list, you can put button, you can put a divider, calendar, map, docs, basically whatever you want. For example, if you click this, so this is like a button, and you can edit link. So this is like the name I gave was GitHub repository, and this is the link, but of course you can change it to something different. So what I want you to do is I want you to be the admin of your page. Okay, and in the step 2, of course you will be writing a small write-up, right? So please also add that information to your page. And what will happen is like actually like all of us, like whenever we receive our feedback, peer review assignments, we can simply go to this page and we can read what the new additional information provided. We can also watch the video of the presenter. Okay, and so like again, that's it, and hopefully it is another problem for you guys. But like I've been in academia for 15 years. I am the admin of my own website, And if you are not familiar with doing web development, actually you should learn a little bit of HTML or JavaScript. It really helps. It really helps not only with having a window to the entire world, but also uh, you get to learn about how to create data, not the data sets, but structures for your um, website, and that communication is important. Okay. All right, thanks so much for watching. So we have 2 weeks for delivery 2. Oh, actually, there is one more thing I would like to mention, and for that one, let me go to here. So I'm really crazy about this line alignment. I'm sorry, but please do not use left or alignment. Okay, so what we want is like this one. I see. So this is left alignment, centered, right alignment. If you just click this is the justify option. Then see on both on the left and right side, it will be like a straight line. So this is the professional version, and please make sure that you also use this option. The other thing is about like references. Please have a separate section for references. Okay. Enumeration is the best way and most easiest way. 1, 2, 3, like this, reference 1, reference 2. But here's the thing: whenever you provide a reference in your reference section, you must mention that reference somewhere in the text. Okay. Some of you provided figures without captions. Again, that it's not acceptable. Okay, so you should have like a figure 1. This is small caption, because in all the professional publications, whenever you have a figure, you need to provide some caption. You need to describe it in the text, and also if you have taken that image from somewhere, you should also provide the source. Okay. The last thing about reports is like whenever you write a report, you should have a title for that report. You should mention who wrote that report and also the time. So you might simply say, hey, I wrote this report like February 17, or you can say like step 2, because next time when you open that report, you should be able to understand, hey, this is the section I wrote regarding delivery 2. Most of you, I know, I understand, chooses file name, but again, it's not a good habit. So you should do the both. Like you should have like write up for step 1, write up for step 2. It's the name of the file, but you should also mention that in your report. Yeah, that some of the presentations were really excellent. The use of images were great, and some of them weren't. And as you know, in the field of data science, visualization is so important. Data visualization is important, and also using some images which make your presentation attractive. It's also very important. So please try to make something fancy. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and I will be looking forward to seeing your second presentations.